Hey, good morning, everybody. My name is Ignacio Mendoza Martinez. I'm the creator of the Growth Hub and owner and founder of Creative Guest Solutions. Creative Guest Solutions is a small business consulting service. What we do is we build systems, process, everything about a small business, foundational from end to end, all in one. We do it all for you. And if we don't do it ourselves, we get you in touch with the people that will be able to do the certain things that you need done for you as well. What we have done is we have built the Growth Hub. The Growth Hub and the One Small Step program are two programs that, when combined, will give you real, measurable results on life transformation and growth here and now in small incremental steps. That's the beauty and the genius of this program, why it works so well, and why we are here to teach you how to use this in the best, most optimal way for you in 5 minutes. So, first and foremost, we invite you and you're going to come hopefully to our landing page where you will see what we're about. It has a simple process. It gives you the about page, what we're about. It has our social proof and measurable results. These are actual results of people that are taking currently this system. As you can see, we have some stuff here. The Growth Hub didn't just teach skills, it shifted my mindset. Small, consistent actions have transformed my life. I've rebuilt my career and confidence. I'm so grateful for this program and the community. Meth, one of our program participants, says that. We also have some actual measurable results here that we've uploaded. 85% of participants completed the One Small Step Forward program. 95% of members report feeling more confident, motivated, and aligned with their purpose. 78% of members achieved at least one major goal within their first 90 days. And this is all with 5 to 15 minutes a day to do. That's all it takes, guys. This is why this is such a phenomenal, one of a kind system. Now, why? Well, it's simple. You take 5 minutes, you focus on what you can do, and that's why I built the Growth Hub, because not only do you focus on it, but here is a space for you to record what you are doing and to leave it in a digital format. It's like a journal. Do you have to use it? No. If you want to, grab a calendar, grab a journal, grab something low tech, write to yourself. The whole point of this is to take the action, follow through with it, be intentional and aware and focus on what you're doing, and you're going to see results because you're going to keep track and you're going to measure, and that helps you see the reality of what you're doing. Because thinking about taking a step is one thing, doing the action is a different thing. And a lot of times there's so much going on in life, there's too many different things grabbing, pulling us every which way. You're not sure, but if you leave the mark, it's there. So the Growth Hub, you get into it, you join the group, you log in. When you log in, you can log in one of two different ways. As you can see, I'm logging in with my personal information that's already on Google because I already have it. As you come in, you're going to see all these different things. There's tabs, there's the About section, video where we introduce what we do, we talk about it. We have leaderboard where we have all the activity of all of the members that we currently have right now. And as you can see, everybody else is active in different ways and different levels. We are hoping that, you're going to come in here and you're going to move up. We have our events. Right now, we only have the one monthly event, weekly event, monthly. We're going to start adding to these soon. We're going to be having workshops, we're going to have webinars, we're going to have all kinds of different types of events. Members, right now we are at 36 members. And as you can see, everybody fits in their information. There's our learning. This is where you will come in. The minute you come in, the first thing you want to do is you want to go over here and you want to click on the Get Started Here orientation prep. After that, you're going to go to the prep zero, step zero, standing still, and it helps you look at your emotional status, what it is, why it is what it is, what's going on with you, taking your first step, taking your second step, taking your third step, and taking your fourth step after that. And then if you want to build your own system, Right. Just as we were saying, do it yourself. We've actually put in the instructions, detailed step by step, how to build and replicate all of the things that we've done here. So anybody can take this and rebuild it themselves. That's how comfortable we are about what we're offering, how this information is transformational. It's free for life. We will always keep this free. Once you're here, you're here. You can do it yourself, keep up with it, and it works. Um, we also have right now we have an elite certified virtual assistant course that some people are taking and have taken. The first class will be graduating soon. Phenomenal results for anybody wanting to be a virtual assistant. This is a very good course for getting all of the benchmarking, basic fundamental experience and knowledge that you should have so that you can go and knock it out of the ballpark with anybody as a virtual assistant. We also have some business fundamentals for business owners. This is the same thing for anybody that's in a small business that has not grasped everything about the fundamental aspects of business. Because if you're like me, hey, I learned the hard way. I learned by making a lot of mistakes. And it just comes a long road, and you may not have to do that. So I put in all the mistakes I made, and I made them all. Quantum time travel teaches people how to, manage their time. Time management for business professionals does what time quantum time travel does, but it's very specific to business owners. So it'll help any business owner reclaim their time. And these are all the free programs that we currently have. And then there's the discussion where you can come in and look at all the different posts and different things that we're talking about. You can see here Kenny just recently posted, just like tree grows from tiny seedlings to towering heights, my journey with the Growth Hub program has been a process of continuous growth and development. I know there's still a lot of improvement in it. I may not have made huge progress yet, but progress is still progress. Therefore, I should be happy about it. I look forward to continuing learning. And there's some other things here, but you can see that he is in here, he is involved, and he is going at it. Within the first class in here, you will see and you will have access to all of our tools. There are 4 foundational tools that we use. They're inside the actual modules, and I'm going to put them here as well in its own standalone. So if you don't want to go to the module, I'm going to make it the easiest thing in the world. And here's what we have. We have one small step forward, your starting point. And this form, what it does is it takes your basic information and it helps you to focus on why you're not giving yourself the time you should be giving yourself. Because if you're not giving yourself 5, 10, 15 minutes a day for you to really, really focus and work on what matters most to you, what's going on in your life? Because aren't you the most important being in existence? I think you are. After that, we start with a feedback form, one daily progress tracker. This form, what it does, you put in your email, the date, and then it asks you, did you complete your daily goal task? What prevented you from completing it? Did you spend time on your goal today? How much of it? 15 minutes up to 2 hours? Your task difficulty, your focus level, your motivation level, what went well today? What could have gone better? Do you need additional support to meet your goals? And what kind of support do you need? That's all the questions you ask. After that, you go to weekly reflection, because at the end of the week, after every day that you've done these tasks, now you're going to look at your week and you're going to evaluate how your week went, why it went well, what didn't go well. Once you've done this 5 days in a row, you're going to come and you're going to take our benchmark assessment. This is the assessment that will show you and prove to you that what we are talking about is real, that you are capable of so much that you had no idea that you could do. You're doing it already. We're just going to show you in the simplest, easiest way how to keep at it and how to make it change everything that you've ever wanted to change and how to make it align with everything you've ever wanted to align. This is what we do. This is what our program is about. And thank you very much for taking the time. I look forward to seeing you inside of the Growth Hub, working with you, because you're doing it already. But what would happen if you took the time to focus yourself in the best possible way you could?